Hi friends, today we are going to see a crispy dosa which helps in weight loss and as well as gives a tempting taste. For that preparing, we have to add 1 cup of wheat rava to a mixer. Along with the rava, I am going to add half a cup of poha, which is the flattened rice, 2 spoons of Urad Dhal. After adding all these ingredients, we are just going to grind these all into a very smooth powder. The powder is done. It is very smooth in texture if you see. Now, to enhance the flavor, I am going to add half a cup of coconut. To that, I am going to add half cup of water. Grind all these ingredients into a smooth batter without any lumps. If you see now, the batter is very smooth. Now we are going to transfer this batter into a bowl. After transferring this into a bowl, for a better fermentation, I am going to add fresh curd 1 spoon. And the salt that is required to prepare these dosas. To adjust the consistency, I am adding half a cup of water. We can add up to 1 cup of water to adjust the consistency. So now, if you see, the batter is ready. We are going to rest the batter for 5 hours minimum for fermentation, and after 5 hours, if you see, the batter has got well fermented. The bubbles have come well. So now we can prepare the dosas. In the medium flame, I am going to add 2 ladles of batter. I am going to flatten the dosa as simple as that, so that it doesn't get very hard. It is now well cooked on top. I am going to add 1/4 spoon of oil to it. Let it cook well some more. If you see now, the golden color has come, it is roasted. Now we are going to flip the dosa and cook it for 5 seconds in medium flame. After that, if you see now, you can see the dosa is well cooked and it is crispy as well. So now wheat rava dosa is ready. It is extremely delicious and tasty. It also promotes weight loss if it is had as a routine breakfast or dinner. Do try this recipe and send me your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut and I'll meet you in another simple recipe. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.